Michigan homeowners know the challenge. Freezing winters with biting winds off the Great Lakes, humid summers, and everything in between. When your home isn't properly sealed and ventilated, your heating and cooling systems have to work overtime, driving up energy bills month after month. One often overlooked solution that can make a noticeable difference is installing awning windows. Awning windows aren't just a stylish architectural feature. When chosen and installed correctly, they can significantly improve energy efficiency, comfort, and overall cost savings for Michigan homes. Designed to seal tightly against Michigan's cold, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. When closed, the sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a tight seal. This design helps reduce air leakage, one of the biggest causes of heat loss during Michigan's long winters. In older homes, drafty windows can allow warm air to escape and cold air to seep in. That constant air exchange forces your furnace to run more frequently just to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Awning windows, especially modern models with high-performance weather stripping and multi-point locking systems, help minimize drafts and keep heated air inside where it belongs. The result? Lower heating demand and more stable indoor temperatures, even when it's below freezing outside. Better insulation for year-round comfort. Today's awning windows are typically available with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features work together to slow heat transfer. In the winter, insulated glass helps retain indoor warmth. In the summer, it reflects exterior heat and harmful UV rays, reducing the amount of heat entering your home. This is especially important in Michigan's humid summer months when air conditioners can run constantly. By limiting heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter, awning windows help your HVAC system operate more efficiently throughout the year. That efficiency translates directly into lower utility bills and reduced strain on your heating and cooling equipment. Natural ventilation without letting the weather in Michigan weather can change quickly. One of the unique advantages of awning windows is that they can remain open even during light rain. Because the glass opens outward and forms a protective awning, it helps shield the opening from precipitation. This allows homeowners to enjoy fresh air without worrying about water entering the home. Proper ventilation plays a key role in managing indoor humidity levels, especially during Michigan's muggy summers. When you can rely more on natural airflow during mild spring and fall days, you may not need to run your air conditioner as often. Improved cross ventilation can cool down interior spaces naturally, cutting back on energy usage and keeping cooling costs under control. Ideal for strategic placement, awning windows are particularly effective when installed higher on walls or paired with other window styles. Their design makes them excellent for capturing breezes and directing airflow into the home. In basements, bathrooms, and kitchens, areas where ventilation is essential, awning windows help remove excess moisture and prevent stale air from building up. Lower indoor humidity levels can make your home feel cooler in summer and reduce the risk of condensation problems in winter. By strategically placing awning windows throughout your home, you create a more balanced indoor environment that requires less mechanical heating and cooling. Reduced wear on HVAC systems. When your home maintains a consistent temperature with fewer drafts and less heat transfer, your HVAC system doesn't have to cycle as frequently. Over time, this reduced workload can extend the lifespan of your furnace and air conditioner. For Michigan homeowners, where heating systems work hard for several months straight, this can mean fewer repairs and delayed replacement costs. Energy-efficient windows are not just about monthly savings, they're also about long-term financial benefits. A smart investment for Michigan homes. Energy costs in Michigan can fluctuate, especially during extreme weather seasons. Investing in energy-efficient awning windows gives you more control over those costs while enhancing comfort year-round. With their tight seal, insulating performance, and ventilation benefits, awning windows are a practical solution tailored to Michigan's climate. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading aging windows, choosing awning windows can help reduce heating and cooling expenses while making your home quieter, more comfortable, and more energy efficient. In a state where the weather demands durability and performance, awning windows deliver both, helping you stay comfortable in every season without overspending on energy.